The first lie ever told, Genesis 3, 1-5. Family, let me ask you something. Have you ever believed something about God that that basically made you feel distant from Him? Like, for example, God is holding me back. God is too strict. God doesn't really want me to be happy. If you've ever felt that way, you are not alone. Because that was the very first lie ever told. In Genesis chapter 3, God comes to Eve, not with force, not with fear, but with a conversation. He said, has God really said? Notice that. He doesn't attack immediately. He plants doubt. And then he goes deeper. You will not surely die. You will be like God. In other words, God is not telling you the full truth. God is holding something good from you. You don't need God. You can be your own God. And here's the powerful truth. Eve didn't fall because of the fruit. She fell because she started believing the wrong thing about God's character. And family, that same lie is still alive today. Every time you feel like obedience is a burden, sin looks better than righteousness, God's way feels restrictive, that's the same voice from the garden. But here's the truth that sets us free. God is not against you. He is for you. God is not withholding. He is protecting. God is not limiting your life. He is preserving it. The cross proves it, because a God who gives His Son is not trying to take life from you. He is trying to save it. So today, the real question is not, did God really say? But the real question is, do you trust His heart? Because when you trust God's character, obedience stops feeling like pressure and starts feeling like love. And that changes everything. God bless.